in this bin, I'm going to plant some of the plants I just bought. Believe it or not, it is winter. New Year's Day tomorrow. See, what I'm doing is I'm composting in place. I'm going to put my plants in here. I'm going to use one of these open bottom things. That's the way these are. This one's well established, just needs to be trimmed a little bit, and I have been trimming it. So I'm going to leave this kale and, just like I said, clean it up. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Take off any leaves that I definitely wouldn't eat. Just throw it in there. Okay, so I've got that in there with compost. And I'm going to throw more compost in here. Well, this is kitchen scraps, see? Squash, eggshells, that's going in there. And in here, I think that's pretty much enough. There's coffee grinds in there, vegetable scraps. Now, I've got some wood chips that are a little bit broke down. I'm going to throw some of that in there. I'm going to throw that around this one. I'll get more later. Okay, just a little bit. And this, I'm going to add in, this is potting mix, planting soil, some native soil. I'm going to add that in there. So the worms that are in here already, because they are in here, I saw them, will break down all the kitchen scraps I threw in here. Need to water this real good. And now, I'll pop in a couple of these. Definitely doesn't need bottom leaves. I'll put one here. See, I like to compost right where I'm planting. Then I don't have to come back and do anything else. Just have to water. Okay, so I got that one in there. And yeah, I'm going to plant 2 of them in here. This is high enough where the rabbits can't get in there. I'll plant that one here. Yeah, it doesn't need this bottom leaf. Just throw it on the bottom. Oh, there's a baby plant. I will put that one. Oh, that one is too tight in there. I think I'm just going to leave that one, because if I try to break it apart, it might hurt the big plant. So I am just going to leave that one. If it makes it, it makes it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. As long as my big plant makes it. Okay, that's really good. Got some garlic chives growing on the bottom there. The worms will all come up, travel up to eat that. I'll just lay that on the top. Now, cover the rest with wood chips. Then I'll get some more wood chips and cover the bottom too in here a little bit more. Look at that. How beautiful. Now, does this one have a planting stick? Yes, it does. Red boar kale. I'll just stick it in there. And look at that. Isn't that cool? I think this is my Russian red, I'm not sure. And it's a little bit skinny growing, but you know what? It has been growing so long, it's got a massive trunk on it. I'm gonna leave it. Now, if I wanted to, let me move this over. I could just continue to compost right in here. Make a little hole in compost. I think there's enough in here right now, so I'm gonna put another layer of wood chips in there. And that should be really good. And this is good to go. Should grow really nice. The rabbits can't get to it. Squirrels can, but hopefully they don't want to eat it. So we'll see how that goes. I might go get some more wood chips. I did not bring enough over. Big chunks out. There we go. Might even add a little bit more. That's pretty much it. And then a good watering. When you first plant your plants, you want to make sure they got a really good soaking. Helps them from going into plant shock. But they should do really good here. And I can add more wood chips. As the wood chips break down, I can just add it to the top and around the pots. Remember, the pots don't have bottoms, so their roots will leave. But when I water these plants, especially when it's hot, and I do this, I know each of those plants got a good watering. When you just water like that, you don't know where the water has run. But right now, I know. That's why I like using open bottom pots, because I really know that they've gotten watered real good. Okay, they're watered more than enough. So they're done now. Yep, those are all done now. And hopefully they'll turn into a nice big bush. Maybe a bushy tree. And I'm just going to keep on planting. I have so many plants I overbought, so now I'm going to get some of these planted. So, get them planted when it's time, when the time is right in your area. Normally I would not be planting December 31st through the beginning of January, but our weather's been like 70, 75 degrees, so I'm planting right now. Oh, let me see if I can show you this. There's a hummingbird. Now, he was feeding on, look at that, feeding on the moringa tree. Isn't that something? They're feeding on the flowers. Cool. Okay, so now I've got this planted on my way to do more. And like I said, it's so much easier just to compost in place. And that space there, I can just put kitchen scraps right in that spot there. If I wanted to, I could put a small open bottom container and put a lid on it. Just compost right there and the plants will feed off of it. Whatever way works for you. This works for me. I'm not making compost and moving it around. I do have some containers where when I don't know, where I want to put it, I might throw it in there and then move it later. But this is so easy. I really enjoy doing this. Okay, everybody, don't forget to eat what you grow and have a great day. Bye-bye.